Folks, postcard marketing is on fire. I tell you what, marketing postcards, direct mail, affiliate marketing has never been this good, and it's getting better every single day, every single week. Folks, look at this. Imagine earning $5,000 for mailing this postcard. Folks, I'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, welcome to the video. Tim Thomas here. I am elated to bring you this information about affiliate marketing, postcard mailing. In this video, we're going to talk about this postcard right here. We're going to talk about this postcard, and we're going to talk about two other postcards. But the main star of this video is this postcard here. This thing has been a game changer for me and my family. It has worked over and over and over again consistently. And I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of this program, what's involved, and what you can do. Guys, I tell you what, I could not more highly recommend this postcard. You may have seen this postcard, you may have not. It has been one of the best postcards I have ever mailed. Income disclaimer in this video. Nothing in life happens until you take action. And you do it over and over and over again. Folks, when you do it over and over again, the sky can be the limit. I'm telling you what, folks, I have been doing so many proof videos each and every day, guys. There are going to be some days where I don't even do a proof video. All I can tell you, folks, it's coming in. I mean, on a daily basis, like a freight train. Payments with affiliate marketing. Folks, this postcard's incredible. I'm going to talk to you about the benefits, how it works, and what you can partner alongside of us in this program. This is the second side of the postcard. This is the front side. You think this thing will catch somebody's attention? Imagine making $5,000 or more from on this postcard. Guys, I have done review after review on this postcard. Look at this, guys. I've been in this program for about 9 months now, and it continues to work. Here is a video, guys, one of my older videos 7 months ago. Guys, this thing created me a 4-figure payday right here with this postcard. I'm going to show you what just came in. Guys. I just got a payment, another payment, and I got multiple videos on this postcard, guys. And this thing can create you 4-figure paydays. I had this commission come in. This commission came in, guys. Did not even know it was coming. And this is incredible. That's what works, guys. You get 50% of the commission. Let me talk to you about that and why it's important. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you why that's a game changer. I got this commission, guys. Didn't know it was coming. It showed up in my Cash App, and it continues to do that over and over and over again. This is incredible, guys. Now, with this postcard, stay tuned, guys. I got 2 more postcards I'm gonna talk about on the end. I'm gonna highlight. Well, let me go ahead and tell you about them. This Cash Cow postcard, guys. If you're watching the video, guys, Cash Cow postcard. You can request it. You get paid $100 on 2 levels. It costs $300 to get involved. Guys, if you're watching this video, this is a postcard. Cash Cow, you want to get involved with Cash Cow. That thing's incredible. It continues to bring payments in daily with the postcard programs. Here's the 25K Madness. It's only $100 to get involved. Any of these postcards that you see, guys, leave me I get my email me. I'll give you a copy of it, and you can mail it into the company, guys. Get paid on 4 levels. This is incredible. $100, guys. I'm getting overrides over and over again, guys. Here is a check that just came in. Guys, all this proof. There's a check that just came in for the 25K Madness. Here is another one that just came in, guys, for, there's another one that just came in for the, other program with the, Cash Cow. So, guys, those are powerful postcards. Look at my channel, guys. You can see more videos on those. So, guys, I want you to get involved with those. Those are the cheaper postcards. Very, very, very excited about it. The star of the program is this postcard here. Guys, we've got levels starting at, I believe, $500 all the way up to $20,000. Let me say that again. You can join for as low as $500 all the way to $20,000. I want to talk about the benefits of this program, of this postcard right here. It's a beautiful postcard. 50% commission. You get 50%, the company gets 50%. Why? A lot of marketers thumb their nose and they say, I wouldn't give people 50% of my sale. Why would you do that? Let me tell you why. Because you allow the professionals, they can do it better. I'm telling you what, guys, I hadn't talked to anybody about these sales that I'm constantly getting. I just mail this postcard on a consistent basis. I allow them to call this number. This is the number that you'll get on your postcard. You'll get an ID number. And guys, I'm telling you, they can close more sales than I ever could because they're professionals, the closers of this system. The company calls and contacts and close all your sales. What they do, let me show you the power of this system. What they do is when they get a phone call and they get the number, they will follow back up with the person that called in for this postcard over and over and over and over again until they follow up, I believe, the next 90 days on your behalf. They record who called, and they record what the number ID was, and they follow up like an autoresponder, convincing the people to sign up with you. Folks, this is exciting. I'm telling you what, it is worth the 50% commission. They can have it any day of the week. Normally, I wouldn't do it, but for this postcard, I'll give them almost 60%. Somebody would say, you're a little silly for that. I'm telling you what, guys, I know what this postcard has done for me and my family. When you get a chance, guys, go back and look at this video here on my channel. Let me show you. Go back. I'll put the link to this video here. I bought somebody in, guys, for $5,000. I got $2,500 that one day in a check. Somebody paid $5,000 coming into this company. That is incredible to me. I get excited, guys. Y'all overlook me. Let's take a look at it. Imagine earning $5,000 daily from mailing this postcard. Now imagine how that income, just imagine how that income can change your life literally forever. Just imagine, no income claims, no guaranteed of any sale, but is it possible? Absolutely yes. The sky is the limit as to what you can earn in these programs. The company contacts and closes all of your sales. If we could honestly show you a proven way that you can generate 500 to 5,000 or more daily without one phone call, or sending an email or speaking to anyone, would that be worth 12 minutes of your time to learn how to do it? Would that be worth it? No previous experience is needed. You never have to do any selling, and there are no monthly fees. Folks, you operate in the background incognito. You want to create the lifestyle to go where you want to go, do what you want to do, stay as long as you want to stay. Folks, the biggest part of my day is deciding what I want to do all day. Folks, that's incredible. Do I want to go to mom's? Do I want to hang out with family? Do I want to hang out with other family members, friends, colleagues, go to Lowe's, stay at the mall all day? Folks, that is the lifestyle that you can create with these systems. But does it come without taking action? You don't just join programs and leave it sitting on your desk when you get the marketing kit, when you get the post, you mail them out, you remain consistent, you do it over and over and over and over again. And folks, you can create all kinds of days. Folks, I am sitting at this computer through all the businesses and the things that I do. I'm experiencing a $2,000 day today. $2,000 in one single day today. And that is exciting with some of the other things that I'm doing. Folks, you can create that lifestyle. I am nothing special. I didn't graduate from Harvard or Penn State. I took action. I do it over and over and again, and I'm going to keep doing it over and over again. It is not about me. It's reaping and sowing. Help enough people in life get what they want, Zig Ziglar said, and you can have everything in this life that you want. Folks, would it be worth 12 minutes of your time to listen to this phone call? Pause the video. Dial that number, 984-569-9999. And you know the rest of it right there. 8334. Dial that number right now. And listen, guys, this is a no obligation information call that people can learn how to increase their net worth, generate much necessary income that they need, and changing their life during these troublesome times. Give us 12 minutes and we'll introduce you to this money-making miracles that's changing lives all over this country today. Have you received that postcard in the mail, folks? If you have, hit the thumbs up button, folks. Can you mail that postcard? Folks, there are millions of people, millions, that have never seen this postcard. There are several that have seen it and will partner with you because they have seen it several times and they realize it works. Well, Timothy, does the postcard work? Absolutely yes. And it works fantastic. Folks, this is a highly recommended postcard. Timothy, what do you get when I exchange? Folks, you're going to have the call center, closers working for you. You pay one time. The service provided is they're going to be done for you closing every time you get a sale. Every time somebody calls that number with your ID number, the company is working on your behalf. That's the service that you get, the product that you get, whatever level you join. If you join at the $2,000 level, the company's going to send you full color picture postcards as your product. You're going to get the postcards printed, shipped to your house with your name, with your ID number, ready, set, go. Guys, that's value. If you join at the $5,000 level, the company's going to send you 5,000 of these postcards. And all you do is put the name label and a stamp. Folks, this is exciting. Work smart. Allow the company to close all of your sales while you are enjoying your life. This system is working for people all over the country. Not just your neck of the woods, not just my neck of the woods, not just North Carolina, not just my area, my county. This thing is working for people all over the country. All the promotional materials are provided for you. Isn't that exciting? The getting started kit. It's going to be mailed to you, to your home. Folks, we have seen proven results. I've got documentation. Documentation beats conversation any day of the week. Folks, that's powerful. Proven results. Start receiving those payments immediately of $1,750, $32.50, almost immediately. Current members include doctors, construction workers, engineers, truck drivers, stay-at-home moms and dads, teachers, accountants, everyday people, plumbers, ministers, pastors, somebody just like you and me. If you can walk to a mailbox, if you can guys, I went and I bought 1,000 stamps today, postcard stamps, because guys, every time you mail a postcard, that ain't nothing but just, it's potentially putting money in your pocket. You put money into your business, and folks, the return could be astronomical. Let's see what Robert Stock's got to say. I got to get off this video. I've been working for over 20 years, and I've never seen anything like this. This is an automated system. The system contacts all of your prospects, closes all of your sales, and you receive the commission checks to your mailbox daily. This is the easiest thing I have ever done. Robert Stock from Danbury, Connecticut. Guys, let me tell you what. I want to appreciate our new member, my new member that partnered with me in the program. So excited to have you a part of the program. And guys, if you partner with me, send me an email, give me a phone call, let me know, hey, Tim, I'm joining with you. I really appreciate it. And I really appreciate all of you for having confidence in me in the program to join. And let's begin to change your life, guys. I'm in this prosperity, not prosperity people system, but leveraged profit systems, guys. That thing's exploding. We're going to help so many people in 2022, 23, 24, 25. We're going to help change so many people's lives. We're just at the beginning of something so big. This is amazing to me. Affiliate marketing, postcard mailing has never been this good. Folks said, I remember the good old days of mail order. I do too. And they weren't this good. They are literally off the rails. And folks, we're just at the beginning of where we're going to go with these programs. All right, guys, can you give this video a thumbs up? Subscribe to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to this channel. If you like content like this, YouTube will send you more content. If you subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. We'll go from there. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Hang on. I got a barn burner of a video coming in the next few days, guys. It's going to just be life-changing. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.